The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that sets a new standard for premium devices with its combination of powerful performance, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge features. Its sleek and durable construction features a 6.73-inch AMOLED display with QHD+ resolution, offering stunning vibrancy, deep blacks, and an immersive visual experience with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing, the display enhances every interaction with fluidity and clarity. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, providing blazing fast performance, efficient multitasking, and top-tier gaming capabilities. Coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra can handle the most demanding tasks with ease, offering a lag-free, smooth experience. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is its impressive camera system, which includes a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. This advanced array allows users to capture breathtaking images with incredible detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. The camera excels in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to low-light scenarios, offering versatility for both amateur and professional photographers. The video capabilities are equally impressive, with 8K recording and excellent stabilization, making it perfect for content creators. Additionally, the 32MP front-facing camera delivers sharp, high-quality selfies, adding to the device's comprehensive imaging capabilities. Battery life on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is robust, with a large 5,000 mAh battery that comfortably lasts through a full day of heavy use. The phone supports 120W fast charging, allowing it to go from 0% to 100% in a remarkably short amount of time, while also supporting 50W wireless charging for convenience. This fast charging technology is a game-changer for users who need to quickly top up their device. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs MIUI 15, a customized version of Android that is feature-rich and highly customizable, offering a wide range of options for users to personalize their experience. While MIUI adds many extra functionalities, some users may find it a bit cluttered compared to a more stock Android experience. Still, Xiaomi has focused on refining the interface and improving the overall performance, ensuring it remains smooth and efficient. Overall, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerful, feature-packed smartphone that excels in every category, from performance and display to camera quality and battery life. It is a perfect choice for tech enthusiasts, gamers, photographers, and anyone looking for a premium device that offers the latest technology and an outstanding user experience.